Okay, so I started the video, and because this is a first build for me, I'm sort of winging it a little bit, other than the videos that I've watched. And as many videos as you watch, you're not going to take everything or remember everything. So for whatever reason, I thought it'd be smart to get a head start and put a Woodruff key in here. Not a good idea. Don't put the Woodruff keys in until you've put the rest of this guy together. Okay, so that aside, I'm going to put him aside at the moment because he's upset me a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and build the clutch lever assembly. Now, clutch lever assembly has this part with an adjustable bolt and nut. So you basically put that nut all the way to the top of that bolt, and then you put it in through your bracket here. You don't have to go all the way in. That just needs to be in through that. Then we need a spring, two little push pins, one bigger one of those guys, which seems to be missing right this minute. I'll find him shortly, and a C-clip and a circlip. Split pin. This is a split pin, guys, not a circlip. It's a split pin. I'm just going to pause and find the other little push washer. If it had teeth, it would have bitten me. It was right there on the table. And a lever and a knob, which I'll be putting on afterwards. And we need this pin, and that's all the bits and pieces we need. So basically we grab this guy and we put him that way facing the chain. We lay it in towards the bottom. We get our spring. We put the spring in like so. Line that up with your holes. Have it laying down like that, so the rings are at the top. Not like that, but like that. And we want our little bar here. That through the hole, through the bracket, through the spring, through the bracket, and through the hole. Now, you've cleaned all those little parts off in the holes. That's going to go in very nicely. And then you have these two little guys, and you push them on. Locks that into position. Okay, roughly line those up, even, and that is that. It's a bit painful. I didn't get that quite clearly. There we go. That's a bit better angle. Okay, so pin went in the side, in through the bracket, in through the spring, through to the spring, through the bracket, and out the other side, and then we push the little pins in on either side like that. And we push him forwards. We put in our, let me move my hands, move him forwards. Put this through there, and this is how it looks. That's how it looks now. And now we're just going to put on our pin through this little tiny hole, goes through here. Okay, so once that pin's down the middle of that, then you just separate either side. Split that. So I'm going to get a better angle. I'll lose a little bit of paint on this corner and on this guy. Anyway, put your knob on, and next part is PTO shaft.